Welcome to GIS Knowledge Lab. Today I am going to show how to create title, text, legend, north arrow, scale bar, picture, etc. in ArcGIS by using insert menu. For this, at first I will open Arcmap in my laptop. This is the interface of Arcmap. Top side of this interface, there we saw menu bar. In this menu bar there are lot of menu. Today we see all of the works of insert menu. If we click the insert menu, then we see a sub menu is open. There are lot of sub menu we see: data frame, title, text, dynamic text, legend, north arrow, scale bar, scale text, picture and object. I will discuss all the works of every submenu. Now I add a shapefile. This is my country boundary shapefile. In this interface, the middle part of this section name is display section. In this section there are two options. One option is data view. I open this map in data view, so I go to the another option, layout view. If I click layout view, then the visualize part is showing like this. When we added more than one layers, then all the layers we show in this layer view. That's why I open layout view. So in insert menu, at first I create a title in this map. That means we give a title name of this map. Now I click in title icon. At first we create a title in this map. That means we give a title name for this map. Now I click insert menu, then I click titles icon. Then one dialog box is open. Here I write map of Bangladesh. Then create OK. So finally our title was showing in the above of this map. Now I create a text in this map. So again I go to insert menu, then I click text icon. Then in the middle part of this map we see one text box. So we double click here, then one properties dialog box is open. Then we write anything in this box. So here we write Bay of Bengal. Then go to change symbol, and in here I change the text color. Then I click color and select blue. If I change the text style, then I select Times New Roman. And if I change my text size, then I select my text size is 20. And if I change the text style, then I click bold, and finally I clicked OK. Then click apply and OK. So you saw one text is created in this map. So I select this text box and drag this box and place in the area of Bay of Bengal. This is the process. We create any kinds of text box and places in particular area. Again we go to insert menu. Below the text icon there are one icon in dynamic text. If I select dynamic text, then there are lot of menu in here: current date, current time, username, etc. etc. In upper part there are two icon, current date and current time. We use these two regularly. So I click current date. If I click current date, then in front of this map already current date is coming. So I click the date and drag and replace this current date in upper part. Then I double click here, and in font size, if I change this font size, then it is bigger. So I select the text size is 20 and click OK. Then click apply and OK. Then you saw in the upper part there show the current date. Similarly, we can create current time also. So I go to the insert menu, then go to dynamic text and click current time. Similar system, it is coming here. Select this and drag and replace below the time. Then I double click here and again I change the symbol and resize this, and I select the size is 20, then click OK, apply and OK. So you saw here time also seen in this map. The same process we create username, author, data shape, etc. etc. Now we will show how to create a legend in the map. For this we need to add a vector data in this interface and export this value in this map. I was created this export file, this one. In table of contents bar you see the export file and range of the values. This is the export file and this is the range value of this Excel file. Now I will create the legend. So I click the insert menu, then I go to the legend and click legend icon. Here legend wizard dialog box is open. So I only show the value of the export file. So only I select inverse distance weighting. So I remove this one, I remove this one also, and I remove this one also. So only one I select in legend item. Then I click next button, and here you saw legend title. So if you give your legend title anyone, so you can give this. Default name is legend, so I use this one, no problem. And if you change your font color, then you will click here and you change your color. And if you change the font size, then you will select the size. So I change the font size is 20. After that I click next. If you create a border in your legend, then you click here and select anyone, and you select the background color also. So if you change your background color, then you select here anyone. After that you click next button, then again you click next button, and finally you click finish button. Then it will be automatically come in the legend. This is the legend you create by using insert menu. Now I create a north arrow. That's why I go to insert menu, then I click north arrow. There are lot of north arrow we see here. We select anyone and click OK. So we select this one and click OK. Here you saw there are one north arrow created. So north arrow also added in this map. We also add scale bar in the same process. So I click insert menu, then I click scale bar. Here also a lot of scale bar in this dialog box. So I click anyone, then I click OK. You saw in this map one scale bar also added. We can modify all the item by clicking everyone. In scale bar I select this one and I double click this, then one dialog box is open here. You saw there are lot of menu in here. So all the menu you can modify, then you will change all the properties, then it will be shown very good. You saw in scale bar the unit is miles. So I change this unit. So I select scale and units, then in units I change by kilometer, and this kilometer I want to show below the scale bar. So label position I click below the center, this one. After that then click apply and OK. So you saw our unit also be changed and it shows below the scale bar. Similarly we change all the items. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.